In this video, I'm going to do exercise 3 based on the review of all pre-intermediate verb tenses, Central European Framework A2. Exercise 3. Choose the correct verb tenses to complete the dialogue below. I would recommend that you pause the video to give yourself time to think about the answers, because I'm going to give the answers straight away. Autumn says, "Hello." Sarah says, "Hi, Autumn, it's Sarah." Autumn says, "Hi, Sarah. Everything okay?" Sarah says, "Yes, I'm calling, I called, or I call." Okay, it can't be present simple. If it was I call, it would be something like I call you every day, I call you every week. I'm calling to tell you about Patrick. Do you know what happened, has happened, or was happening to him yesterday? Past simple, what happened? Time reference is yesterday. Autumn says, "No, what?" And Sarah says, "Well, he was needing, has needed, or needed. He needed some money, so he went, has gone, or was going to a cash machine. He went to a cash machine. And when he was taking the money out, he noticed, was noticing, or has noticed. He noticed that there was an envelope on the floor. He has opened, opens, or opened it. He opened it, and there were £20,000. Autumn said, "Really? Did you joke? Do you joke? Or are you joking?" "Really? Are you joking?" "No, it's true." "What is he going to do? Will he do? Or is he doing now with the envelope?" "What is he going to do with the envelope?" Sarah says, "He not knows, doesn't know, or isn't knowing." So, he doesn't know, but he thinks that the owner of the money is going to go, will go, or is going to the police soon. Will go. So, will go for a prediction based on a person's opinion. Autumn says, "And then?" Sarah says, "He says that he is going to give, is giving, or gives the money back." He is going to give the money back. That is his intention. Autumn, maybe it's money from crime or drugs. And Sarah says, "In that case, I don't think anybody will reclaim, is reclaiming, or reclaims it." Will reclaim for a prediction based on personal opinion. Autumn says, "If nobody reclaims it, we'll tell, we are telling, or we tell. We'll tell Patrick to pay for a nice and expensive dinner." Sarah says, "Yes, definitely. By the way, what were you doing, did you do, or have you done when I rang you?" What were you doing when I rang you? Autumn says, "I cleaned, have cleaned, or was cleaning the house." I was cleaning the house when you rang me. Sarah, do you do, are you doing, will you do anything when you finish cleaning? Are you doing? Present continuous to ask about somebody's plans. Autumn says, "No, why? Would you like to go for a beer?" And Sarah says, "Yes, please." I think the last time I was going, have gone, or went for a beer. The last time I went for a beer, I was still going out, did still go out, or have still gone out. I was still going out with Jeremy. Autumn says, okay, then I am going to pick you up. I'll pick you up, or I'm picking you up in about 20 minutes then. I'll pick you up in about 20 minutes. Excellent. See you later. See you. Let me know in the comments below how you did, what your percentage was. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd also like to say a really big thank you to the team at Test English for allowing me to use their material to create videos to put on YouTube. Thank you.